In this video, we will show you how to replace your camshaft position sensor on this Ford Ranger with a 2.3-liter engine. This will be located along the backside of your valve cover. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. This can very easily be done. First, we'll locate it. Along the backside of the valve cover, right in this area, is where you're going to find your camshaft position sensor. To remove this from the valve cover, you will find that you have one 8mm headed bolt and one wiring harness. Now, to gain access to the mounting bolt for this, I'm going to be using a ratcheting 8mm headed wrench. It's easiest to make your way in through this area, and then you should be able to remove that bolt. Lift the sensor up and out of place, and then you can disconnect that electrical connector. At this point, we'll go ahead and take that mounting bolt out of there and remove the sensor so we can disconnect the wiring harness. There's that mounting bolt. Quick inspection, replace it as necessary. Careful not to break this off in the valve cover. Give this a little wiggle. There we go. Continue on to your electrical connector, squeeze in on the locking tab and disconnect this. There it is, friend. Now that we have that out of there, the next thing you want to do is inspect the wiring harness. If you see any funny colors, that would be corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. This wiring harness looks fine, we'll set it aside. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is clean and inspect the mounting point on the valve cover itself. We'll just give this a quick wipe, making sure we get no debris inside the valve cover. Okay, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new camshaft position sensor. Before you mount it, it's important to apply a thin amount of clean motor oil around the O-ring. That'll help lubricate this so we can carefully press it into position without causing any damage. The next thing we'll want to do is take our brand new camshaft position sensor and align it with the wiring harness. Align that locking tab, press it in, listen for a nice click. We'll give that a little tug to make sure it's completely secure. At this point, you can take that sensor and carefully place it into the valve cover. When placing it in, we want to make sure we slide it straight down and into the valve cover and be careful not to damage anything along the way. Getting this aligned can be a little bit difficult only due to the wiring. You can dislodge that if you need to. You typically should not have to. There we go. It's getting close now. Try pressing that in. We'll continue on to aligning our mounting bolt hole. Start it in, snug it up, torque it to 64 inch-pounds. Looks like I've got that started in nice and straight. We'll continue on. There we are. There we go. Our torque wrench on there. Okay, friend, we finished installing our camshaft position sensor. At this point, hop in the passenger compartment. Start up your vehicle, let it run, make sure there's no running condition and no check engine light. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.